Hello everyone, it's me Mrs. Gronert, and today we are going to be planting beans. And with our bean planting, we're going to learn more about what plants need to grow. Let's take a look at what you need for this activity. For this activity, you need 3 dry beans, 3 plastic baggies, 2 paper towels, tape, and water. That's it. Okay, let's take a look at what you do to complete the activity. To complete this activity, you're going to place the beans in the baggies. Then you'll use water to wet the paper towels. After you do that, you'll place the paper towels into the plastic baggies, and I'll show you how to do that exactly in this video. Then you close the baggies. Okay, let's get that part of this experiment taken care of. So the first thing I need are dried beans. Wow, I wish these dried beans were magic beans like the ones Jack had in the story of Jack and the Beanstalk. But they're not. At least I get to use them to see how seeds grow and learn about what seeds need to grow. So here we go. The first thing I need to do is take 3 of my baggies and put beans in them. There's 1 baggie with a bean, 2 baggies with a bean, and 3 baggies, and 1 bean inside each bag. There we go, all set. Now, my next step, I need to get the 2 paper towels wet. It's very important that you get just the right amount of moisture on the paper towel. If it's too wet, it's not good for the bean. But if it's not wet enough, the bean won't have water to grow. Let me show you just how to do that right now. Okay, so here's my paper towel and here's my water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the paper towel completely first. Okay, so it's got all sorts of water, and look at that, it's dripping. But I don't want to put it in with the seeds dripping, so I'm going to squeeze it out so it's still damp but not dripping. And then I'll fold it up so that it fits perfectly into my plastic bag with my seed. Okay, so now I'm going to put my wet paper towel into the first baggie with the seed. I want to make sure that the seed is on the wet part of the paper towel when I put it in, so that it's getting the moisture that it needs to grow. There we go. Kind of like that. See that? Now you can really see my seed well. Then I'm going to close up my baggie nice and tight. And I'm going to do that for my second seed as well, so it has a nice amount of water. Okay, so now I have my 3 bags with seeds ready to go. What do I do with my bags now? Well, this is what we do. We're going to place one of the bags in a sunny window so that the seed sees the sun and it can grow with the sunlight. But we're going to place the other seed with the water in a dark place, maybe inside of a cupboard or a closet, so that it doesn't get any sunlight at all. Now, the last baggie here, we'll put that one in the sun and see what happens if our seed doesn't get any water but gets sun. This is going to be a lot of fun. Now, after we place the seeds where they belong, I want you to watch those beans. If they start to grow, think about what grows first. Then every day you can use a ruler to measure the growth. Find out how long are the roots? How long is the stem? think about what's happening to the bean that has no water. What happens to the bean that gets no light? What happens to the bean that has both water and light? You can take some time and journal about it and write about it every day. This should be a lot of fun. I can't wait for you to find out what happens to our magic beans. Have fun. I hope to see you again very soon.